Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Kids, now we open the color of green color, and the next one is red color. Now we coloring and opening the color of red. The next one is black, the color of black. Kids, the next one is yellow color, the color of yellow, and the next one is white. Now we're opening the color of white. Subscribe to our channel. And the last one is blue color, the color of blue. Kids, now we draw alphabets. First we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant, and now we're using the color of green. A for apple, A for ant. The alphabet of B. C. C for cow, C for cat. The alphabet of D. E for egg. F. The alphabet of F. G for God. Kids, now we're using the color of yellow. Now we're mixing and using the color of yellow. H for hand. I. J. K. L. L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. O for orange. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rose, R for rice. S for sun, S for snake. T. U for umbrella. V. The alphabet of W. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. Kids, now we're opening the color of white color. The next one is yellow color, the color of yellow. Kids, the next one is black color. Now we are opening the color of black. And the next one is blue color. Now we are opening the color of blue. And the next one is green, the color of green. The last one is red color, the color of red. Kids, now we are coloring and draw alphabets A to Z. First we are using the color of yellow, and now we draw the capital letter alphabets A. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Subscribe to our channel. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J, K, L, M, N. N for nose and for nest. So kids, now we're using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. The color of red. O, P, and the next one is Q. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rice. S. The next one is C. U. U for umbrella. V. W. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.